This is a 2010 BMW 650. It has a 4.8-liter 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include a low tire pressure indicator, Dakota leather upholstery, active roll stabilization, a sport package, an aluminum hood, a sport suspension, and a navigation system. The following features are also included: comfort access, voice activation technology, cruise control, a premium sound system, BMW individual composition, front and rear floor mats, side curtain airbags, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and this vehicle has fewer than 49,000 miles on the odometer. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
BMW of San Antonio is located at 8434 Airport Boulevard in San Antonio. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.